This week's a big week for us and the hardtop. Whilst the weather is dry, it's time to tab the hardtop, ready to move it over to the shed. Join us as we have everything crossed that it makes the journey on MDL's launch. Welcome aboard. If you're new here, we're Chris, Kelly, Olivia May and Orla J, a family of 4 living full-time on board our sailboat. And when the holidays roll around, Leo and Lily Rose join the crew, turning us into a lively 6. Back in 23, we brought our new to us sailboat with 0 sailing experience. In 24, we moved on board for a life afloat. Right now, we're learning the ropes around the south coast of the UK, saving as much money as possible, preparing our floating home for our dream to sail the world. It's chaotic, exciting, sometimes a little scary, but it's definitely the most rewarding thing we have ever done. We're sharing the real journey, the highs, the lows, the refits, the family moments and everything in between, and we can't wait to share it all with you. It's tabbing day, and guess what's happened? All the wood's got wet while it's been standing under the tarp.
Might have to do 2 on that bottom bit as well, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So you know where your line, there's your lines, look.
Yeah.
See them all? There,
So
there.
I'm mixing, then with that paintbrush,
you're painting the thickness of one of them.
So I'm doing that way.
That way.
It.
So you're literally getting one of them. Obviously, it doesn't matter if you go above it, but you've got to do at least that much.
Where the lines are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, that's the middle of middle of it.
Me getting in there, that's going to be an issue. How quick is this?
Sure, it won't be quick.
I haven't got to race.
Right. If you hold that, that's the amount that you've got to.
The thickness.
Yeah. So if you.
Oh, it's not as thick as I thought then.
No, that much.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So if you want to check, just obviously put that in your mouth, hold that up to it, just check that you've done that much. So it's got to be minimum of that much.
I'm using the paintbrush line to put it onto there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or just put the paintbrush back in there. Yeah. Just put the paintbrush back into there.
And does this stay in here when I've mixed it, or do I put it onto there?
Ready? Are you ready?
I feel sick. I'm scared. Please don't shout at me.
Make sure you go around the edges to bring it all in. So I've got to mix it all first though, and I think I've got to do more than that, because what did you have? 2, didn't you?
2, but look how quick it went off.
Yeah, this is quick, that's what we're doing now. Well, it went off, but it's going.
What's my job this time?
What do you want? Paint it on, or do you want to roller it?
What's the easy option?
Probably the roller, but you've got to make sure it's flat.
Ugh. Right, okay. I'm fucking scared. I'm sticky.
So 2, we need 4, don't we?
Yeah. There. Sometimes I think it would have been easier to have spent 12 grand on a full enclosure with C&J.
4.
Yeah. Is there a stick for me to stir it? What is that stuff?
Canter in the tub.
The white stuff that's on the deck?
That?
Yeah.
That bit's mill fibre, that's that cancer in the tub.
Oh. Does it matter that I'm sticky?
No, you do this and paint then.
Okay. What am I paint?
I'll show you. We'll do the outside first.
Okay. Not that my camera can see us outside.
No, it's not even.
Scared. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm terribly scared. It's the Gruffalo's child.
Huh?
So I'm scared, I'm terribly scared. It's from the Gruffalo. See you tomorrow.
See you later. So we've got to leave this as long as possible before we put the top on it.
Yeah, might as well just put some of it.
Not mega heavy. I think it's more awkward than heavy.
Yeah.
If we're going that way.
Yeah, so or could we, there'll be two moves, could we do one straight into the
But then
boat?
you've got to go under the mast and stuff.
Yeah. Better here.
Ooh, makes me feel really nervous.
We rest it now. Got it?
Yeah, I've got this edge. Not heavy, it's just awkward.
We'll keep going and then put that other end down. Or...
Yeah, we'll come on round. Yeah. You get around, I've got the pen.
Oh, it's getting heavier. Hang on, that way.
Quarter minute.
You didn't want that bit, did you?
I was going to say.
Oh, your screws got big enough.
No, we're better than the screws as well.
Should we wear some more in there before we put it on the launch?
Definitely going to be the edge of the fly.
Okay, I think.
Ooh.
If you want a flat piece of fly, sit on.
Hello.
So it's flat against, so it's sitting flat, and then that on fly.
You get it on so it sits.
Yeah.
What if we get the one in the front up in there?
Oh, sit in that.
On there, have a look.
Do you want me to chop a hole out? Tim? Do you want me to chop a hole out that front window so that it sits over that?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, can we have it across the boat? Yep. Yeah, like that.
Get your hand in the hole.
Don't fall in the water, Chris. Colin nearly went in, bless him.
To measure though.
Yay!
I'm going to go with my hat and we're going to have to turn it round.
Between you all, you nearly knocked Colin in.
Have we got to spin it?
No, it's fine. That's why we wear hard hats.
That's too wide.
Too wide?
Yeah. I said that's too wide.
Sideways on.
Yeah, sort of like we did on the
Yeah.
boat.
Yeah, that's it. Magic, thank you guys. Look at that.
Sorted.
Yeah, now you've got to get it through that gap.
Yeah, well, you want to go through.
Watch the table. Table, table. Watch the... I'm going to say that block at the front's not big enough, so it's rocking.
Turn that one on this side and it should.
It's still not touching.
Is it?
I'm going to say it's still not touching. Coming up in the next episode, we start to prepare the hardtop with filler and sanding it down smooth, ready for the first coat of fiberglass. Thank you for sharing this adventure with us. You can join us on Patreon for early access to our episodes, behind the scene bits and other fun extras. Or if you'd rather just buy the girls an ice cream, head over to our coffee page. Either way, your support means the world to us. See you next time.